Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Saan po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. So, tignan natin kung anong pauna mensahe ninyo. We have the Four of Pentacles. Ayan. So, this is control of your money. You know, this is a reminder para sa iyo, Scorpio, to take charge, take control of your money. Okay? Maaari, no, nang iba sa inyo, ibang tao yung nagmamanage ng pera ninyo. Maaari ibang tao yung nag-handle ng finances ninyo. Kaya, and maybe, hindi rin kayo aware of what is happening, kung paano ito minamanage, no, nakaperahan mo, yung budget mo, yung ganon. So, yun ang pipick up ko dito, Scorpio. But this may or may not resonate with you. So just take as it resonates, okay? But yeah, take control of your money. Okay? Kailangan matuto kayo na mag-budget ng sarili ninyo. Kailangan matuto kayo na pairalin or paandarin ninyo lagi yung inyong financial discipline. Napakahalaga nun. Okay? So, take control of your money. Okay? So, what else? We have Seven of Cups. There are choices na kailangan ninyong gawan sa ngayon, and that could be related to money. No? Baka mayroong mga financial decisions na kailangan gawin kayo sa ngayon, kaya kailangan ninyong pag-isipan mabuti ito. Okay? Do not make a decision ng basta-basta. Kailangan pag-isipan mabuti. Kailangan na pag-aralan mo muna. Kung hindi naman nagmamadali, no, yung decision na to. So, make sure that aralin mo muna. Mag-research ka muna. Magtanong-tanong ka, something like that. No? Or, wag din ninyong kakalimutan, no, na mag-tuning kayo sa inyong intuition, because your intuition will always give you a signal as well, will always help you, you know, to for you to be able to make a good decision. Okay? So, what else? We have Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So, make sure talaga na ano ka na, marunong ka ng mag-budget, marunong ka ng gumawa ng financial plan, kasi ito na yung simula ng abundance sa buhay mo. Ace of Pentacles is a new beginning in your finances, new beginning in your money, career, and finances. Okay? So, there is an opportunity dito na dadating na siyang magdadala sa inyo ng kasaganaan sa pera. You will be prosperous and abundant. At meron dito mga opportunity rin na kasi pwedeng merong cold cash dito na dumating talaga. Meron talagang pera, as in pera, na matatanggap kayo. No? It could be a win, it could be a windfall, di ba? It could be an inheritance, it could be coming from anywhere. No? At pwede rin na merong financial opportunities, trabaho, karera, 'di ba? Baka mayroong mga pagbabagong mga ganon or oportunidad sa existing ninyong trabaho or career na siyang maghahatid sa inyo din ng bonggang kaperahan, no? But definitely this is the start of a beautiful change pagdating sa inyong finances, no? So talagang magiging masagana na kayo ngayon sa pera. Okay? Magiging mas maayos na, mapatutuloy-tuloy na yung pagpasok ng pera ninyo. So, we have Commander Ashtar, call to action, take charge, lead by example, and walk your talk. Yan, hindi pwedeng nagsasalita lang kayo na nagsasalita. Hindi pwedeng nagpa-promise lang kayo. Hindi pwedeng nagsasabi lang kayo ng kung anong gusto ninyong gawin, pero hindi nyo na rin naman ginagawa. 'Di ba? Kasi always remember, sayang, no? Sayang ng idea mo, sayang ng plano mo if you're not going to take action towards realization of that. 'Di ba? Kaya kailangan kung anong sinasabi mo, yun din ang gagawin mo. Alright? Para mapakinabangan mo, ma-enjoy mo kung ano man yung plano mo or yung idea mo, 'di ba? At saka siguro ngayon pwedeng related ito dito, no, sa control, sa Four of Pentacles energy, na you really need to take charge now of your finances. Okay? Kailangan na sa ngayon na ikaw na talaga, no, maging aware ka na, maging maging masanay ka na ikaw nang nagmamanage ng sarili mong pera. Hilarion, divine healing, honor your sensitivity, retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others. Retreat to recharge and heal. Okay? So, maaaring kailangan mo ngayon ng healing. Maaaring physical ailments yan na kailangan mo ng healing energy. Or po pwedeng situation, no, na hindi masyadong healthy, hindi masyadong maganda ang kalagayan. Kaya maybe that's what you really need now to be healed, no? So, po pwedeng ganon. At saka, your light can support others. See? Baka po pwede rin na kayo yung yung healer. Po pwedeng kayo ay healer, no? In any form. Ang dami-daming healers, no? Po pwedeng nasa medical field, po pwedeng Reiki healer ka, crystal healer ka, alternative medicine, holistic, 'di ba? Yung mga ganon. So, iba-iba 'yan. So we also have Lord Shiva, transcendence, rise up, honor your inner force, steps are being given, dance with the universe. So feeling ko dito, you will be starting to be in sync with the universe, no? Kaya you're going to dance with the universe kasi maaring na to, tawag dito, you are in sync, you are on the same, kumaga, wavelength, no, with the divine sa ngayon. So, that's really beautiful. Good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.